Welcome back to my channel, Annette's VanTease, where I travel part-time in my self-converted van. Today we're driving through 3 states to get to Valley of Fire and then make pasta lakeside. I have no idea how comfortable this is. I normally just suffer. Oh my gosh, I'm so comfy. And this is the view. Yeah. Whoa. I have no idea what this is, but oh my gosh, it's freaking amazing. And I'm only far away. I'm not even close. Wow. $39.04, 10.848. It was 3.59. I wonder if that's hurricane. We'll see if I go through there. Okay, so I just passed through Apple Valley. Holy moly! Holy moly! What the heck is this? Joshua trees everywhere. Littlefield, 10 miles. Valley of Fire State Park is Nevada's oldest and largest state park. Valley of Fire was established in 1935 and it covers over 40,000 acres. It is known for its stunning red Aztec sandstone formations, some dating back more than 150 million years. This is the White Domes Trail. It's a short but stunning 1.25 mile loop that packs in just about everything Valley of Fire is known for. Almost right away, you descend into colorful sandstone formations, passing towering domes, hidden arches, and narrow canyon walls. Here's a very good example of some of the rock that you'll see along this trail, which are walls sculpted by centuries of wind and water. This is also the home to Valley of Fire's only slot canyon, carved into Navajo sandstone. The canyon is short but photogenic. It has smooth walls.
Awesome.
The narrow passage is especially popular for photography and was featured in many films, particularly the 1966 Western The Professionals. Along this trail, you'll also spot several natural arch formations. These pocket arches are common in the park and often hide in plain sight. They're the bighorn sheep.
Did you guys see the sheep? The bighorn sheep ran right over there.
Oh, there's one, two. How many?
1, 2, 3.
And a baby.
There's 4 of them. Here.
Yeah.
Over here, it's 4.
Wait, I can't see. Oh, there they are.
There's 2 up there and then 2 over there.
I got really lucky on this visit and spotted a group of desert bighorn sheep. In my research, I found that these animals are well adapted to the harsh Mojave climate and rocky terrain. Males can weigh up to 250 pounds and use their massive horns to battle during mating season. We even spotted a little baby. Wow, how special is this? So much variety in such a short distance. Highly recommend this hike to anyone. Valley of Fire does have many natural arches, including this famous arch rock. These arches are delicate structures formed through erosion and freeze-thaw cycles. Very cool to look at. I got the front and the back. What you may not know is that Valley of Fire also connects to Lake Mead through a scenic North Shore road. This area is part of the Lake Mead National Recreational Area, offering access to lakeside camping, hiking, and breathtaking views. Alright, so now I'm at Lake Mead. This is freaking amazing. Free camping, 15 days. Lake Mead. Thank you, Carrie. Got the water. Oh, this thing doesn't freak. There it is. Yes. Sometimes it doesn't work. Okay, so we're gonna boil the water. I'm actually in the mood for spaghetti. There's a little bit of hamburger meat left, and I'm not typically one that likes hamburger meat much, but I think I want me some pasta. It's my childhood right here. A little Dr. Pepper and cream soda float. Yum. It's hot. And remember what I always say, life is too short for boring drinks, so shake things up and check back next week for my next adventure.